There's a kind of unfinished business in life that gnaws at you. And knowing you could be more, do more, but that you settled and convinced yourself it was okay. And maybe it was, except that the feeling never went away. It kept coming back in fits, sometimes subtle, sometimes overwhelming. And you had to accept that the only cure was to get up and dare yourself to dream again. Today's quest isn't that deep, but it's a small step I had to take in that direction. Together with my buddy Toby on his Himalayan 411, I'm taking the Scrambler up to Solsona-Ilocos Norte, hoping to glimpse Mount Gilang, the blazing mountain of the gods, which remained invisible on my first and last visit during FJ Moto Mountain Cross 3. The intensity of the emotions we experienced during that storm at the top and the sunset on the way down will stay with me forever. The route will take us over 500 kilometers north as we ride the main highways until a detour at Ilocos Sur to take the scenic, little-used mountain route to Ilocos Norte via Abra.
Now on Ilocos Sur, Abra Road. Actually, it's funny nga, the first time we went up here pandemic, kami ni Angelo in the RAV4, we just saw the name of the pin, the Blazing Mountain of the Gods. Kami, what the heck is that? Like, that's a hell of a name. But we couldn't go there kasi pandemic. It's across the border. I love this part. It's a huge, I'm guessing this is the Abra River. Ayan. Is it? Okay. Last stretch to Nueva Era View Deck. Just gotta take a quick break. Oh yeah. Last 32 kilometers to the border. It's just from there, it's just a short ride. 2 hours stay for the night. You're in for a treat. Ito na, the twisties have begun. And once you get here, it's so isolated. It just feels like nobody passes here. 27 kilometers to the border, to the top. It's pretty crazy how isolated you feel on this stretch of road. It's a long way to get to Ilocos Norte, and there's really nothing here and lots of that. Such a beautiful isolated stretch of road. Climbing up, sharp right, eagles, and a burned mountaintop. Oh wow, it's still burning. Wow, that's crazy. What a sight. A burning mountain and a whole bunch of eagles. What's going on here? Oh, it's so close. Yan ang blazing mountain. Smells like pine and the temperature has gone down. Wow. So many pops from my exhaust. This is the prettiest part of the, well, one of the, because there's another really nice, beautiful. Third time in here, and definitely the one with the most beautiful light. Wow, just look at that. Yeah, just notice now the top of this mountain resembles the top of Mount Kilang. It's this rocky, kind of flat wedge shaped mountain. There you go. Opening up to a different view now. This section with all of the landslides is a sign that we're getting close to the border. The Scrambler is such a great bike for this kind of thing. They're so easy handling. Easy handling, lots of torque. You can just stay in second or third gear. There we are. That's it. Up there. That's the border. That's the pass. Woo! That was the old road. Imagine that. This is it. We're at the top. You can just find the place to stop over there. Wow, there you go. Here we are. All right. Okay, time for a break and to enjoy this sunset. That was a long one. Oh man. So total from Petron is 476 kilometers. Yeah. 476 kilometers with a 1,800 meters of ascent.
Heading up to Blazing Mountain of the Gods.
Okay. Okay. Starting the climb. Grabe. Woo! I can see it over there. Like everything feels more raw. Yeah. Grabe. This is something else. Ooh. And to see it in clear weather for the first time. Welcome back to Blazing Mountain of the Gods. Whew, look at that fog. Coming up to the view, Mount Kilang. Ah! What? Grabe! This is... It's foggy, but it's very pretty. Wow, I can't believe I missed this last time. Last time we were just stopped here, bumabagyo, and I was wondering why the heck are we taking a photo here? Un-effing believable. Okay, we're gonna explore a bit down there and come back for a leisurely breakfast and enjoy the amazing view going back down.
We ride back down a little and then turn around so that we can see what it looks like when you come up on Mount Gilang from the opposite direction, the way I came during FJ3.
Yeah. Oh, grabe the way it appears on this bed.
Yep.
Amazing.
Tapos yung medyo jagged pa yung andyan.
Yeah, it's so dramatic. It's really wild. What a sight. Imagine seeing that for the first time after you get through that, after you survive that off-road. And then
Tapos without expecting
it must be a hell of a mystical experience.
With our mission accomplished, we make our way back up to the border post at the top of the pass to register with Ate Gladys, whom I failed to meet during FJ3 due to the storm.
Galing ka, dumaan kami kanina, tulog ka pa eh.
Tinan mo to, even this peak here, granite nga, no? Hindi limestone, kaya kakaiba. So majestic. This is that corner we rounded and saw the sunset from. Grabe talaga. All of these big mountains.
Well, so that's mission accomplished for our quest to get to Blazing Mountain. And well, I'm so happy we did this. And to be honest, I really needed this. So thanks guys as always for joining us on the journey. So, you know, we're still in Ilocos Norte. There's a day and a half of riding left, but I'm just gonna enjoy this off camera and, you know, really have some like proper time away and to have some time to really absorb and appreciate the experiences we've just had. So yeah, if you've made it this far, thanks as always for watching. I'm gonna ride home now. See you guys on the next adventure.